a Lowe's partner, and Lowe's, they gave me the opportunity to select an item that I could feature in this video, and I selected a self-watering planter. It comes with instructions. You can see that there's 2 large finger holes, and if you don't want this self-watering function, you can remove that and then fill it all the way up with dirt. And another way that you can use this is it's sized. This is a 2-gallon container. I know some people don't want to replant and pot, but you can see it will accommodate this planter size. Another option is if you want to leave it inside your house, this will hold 7 quarts of water. It's self-watering, and you can just add water as you need to, but it's got a nice reservoir. However, if you want to use this outside, and the top is going to be open to rainfall, so you're going to want to come 5 3/4 of an inch and bore a hole so that when rainwater's going into it, it does not drown your plants. Just a standard drill bit of work. This is 3/8 of an inch is the hole size I put in there. This is a great looking pot. Allen Roth really did a good job with this. I really like this texture. Step 1, after drilling this hole, is put the water in. We need 7 quarts of water. It's basically 1 gallon. Just mix them together a little bit, kind of recycle and reuse. And that's one of the reasons why I like soil conditioner. I'm going to get some solos out of it also, which make great little giveaways. Take this guy off. Here's one. I'll take this guy out. And I'm just going to kind of dig down in, let these roots kind of go in there. A lot of people cut them off. I probably broke enough of them cutting them when I was separating them.
For more DIY tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel.